What up, you guys? Today is another good day because I'm so excited for this one. This kind of completes my whole build until I go big turbo, and that's probably not gonna happen anytime soon, so don't get excited for that, but get excited for this. Guess what this huge box could be? What can it be? Cat back exhaust? Probably not, because I already have it. Downpipe? Probably not, because I already have it. I do not know. What can this be? What's there left to add to the Speed 3? Let's open it and find out what it is. Just boxes in front of boxes. TreadStone Performance Engineering. I think I already know what this is. I'm gonna leave it right there. Let's pull out some more stuff. What's all this? What is all this? Ooh, a pipe. I don't know what do you do with pipes around here? I do not know. Ooh, a box. A box full of probably clamps. Ooh, what do you do with clamps? What is this metal thing? Ooh, look. This metal thing's to grind on for your skateboarding. Or it's a frame of some sort. Maybe a crash bar? Oh snap. And yes, if you guys don't already know, I bought the TreadStone intercooler kit. I bought it about 3 days ago, and they literally took 2 days to ship. The person who I emailed to and asked about if they had one in stock was very helpful, and luckily I got the last one. And that's it. Everything else is just trash. I got all the pipe in here, but I'm not even gonna touch that or care about it right now. First thing to do is pop up the hood, take off the bumper, and all that jazz. So you go down here. So like I said, like we've done it before, we'll take all these small little tabs out, and then take the tabs off here, unplug the fog lights, and then that should be easy to take. For the Speed is real simple. You'll have one bolt right here, and then you pop these off. Same thing on this side, one bolt right here by the like inner liner, and then you pop these off. Then you'll pop these clips right here. And after you pop them all out, you have to take these small little plastic pieces off too. Didn't take these off. I think I took all of them off. No, there's one more. Okay, just this one left. And then take this. Just gonna pull it forward. And there you go. Now there's gonna be some wiring of the fog, so let me do that and take care of the whole bumper. Okay, so took off the front bumper. Hard part is these, like the wiring harness, taking these clips off. And yeah, got that part done. Now for the crash bar, we're gonna have maybe a 10, 12 mil right here. I think these are like 14, 16s. So 4, 8, 9. I have 9 bolts to take off, so let's take the crash bar off and go from there. Okay, took all the bolts off from the crash bar. I'm pretty sure I can just take it out, maybe. Okay, now there's gonna be one right here also, and one right here. I'm guessing they're 10 mils. Took the 2 bolts off inside here, but then found out that there's gonna be one here, is this plastic piece, and then there's another one down here connecting to right down here. I don't know, it's back here. So there's a few like other 10 millimeters down here also. So that's gonna be 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bolts to take off. There it is. Took off the crash bar. There's gonna be 2 right here, 1, 2, and then you take off this plastic piece, and then there's the third one, which is connected to the crash rail. Same over here. You take the 1, 2, take off the plastic piece, and then the third one is like right behind the plastic piece. So now we got everything taken off. Time to put the TreadStone crash bar, which is right over here. Let's put that crash bar and put it back on. Here's the differences. It does weigh less, so I'm guessing I'm gonna take off a few pounds, as well as getting the front mount intercooler, which is cool. But with this one, it only has 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 bolts to put on instead of 15. So let's put that on there and see how it looks. There's the crash bar. Got the crash bar hooked up. Time to put the core. Let's open the core, see how I'm gonna fit it on there, and then go from the piping couplers up. Okay, so here's the crash bar, here's the core. Down here on the crash bar, you'll see 2 screws on each side, which these 2 go on there, right there. So let's put those on there and go from there. And then we have some screws and bolts right here to put them on. So let's put the core up top and go. Okay, now got the crash bar in. Time to take the top mount off and figure out how all this piping is gonna go. Okay, so I got the top mount off, coupler off. I'm worried about the POV. I don't know if this is gonna be long enough or not. Hopefully it goes right and I don't have to do anything stupid with that. But time to get the coupler, put that in here, and see how we're gonna connect everything. Okay, I'm almost done. I got this one connected to the throttle body. Here's where the POV is gonna go, and then comes all the way around there to here, to right here, to the core. This one, got the one connected to the turbo. It's all loose, so I don't have anything tightened up except the one that connected to the throttle body. So I have that connected to the turbo, coming down here, connected to this mounting area, coming down here, under here, and it's just sitting right there. So now I just need to get this coupler on, this pipe on right here, and that should do it. And then I should have no problems putting everything back on. And yeah, okay, got everything tight. First I put it on here, or actually I put it on here, tighten this one first. Got it to get in there, getting it to get in here, so I need to tighten these 2. Then I went to tighten these 2, tighten the ones down there, come up here, get this one on last. I did all this piping to the left side last, and this one first, from the throttle body to the core back to the turbo. The turbo one over here is easier to do than this one because it's a tighter spot. And honestly, here's my BVV valve, which I'm gonna have to cut like the hose a little bit. I have a JBR recirculation hose, so this is longer than stock. So if you have a stock recirculation hose, this might not fit. Me, I just need to cut off like an inch or 2 to put this back on. And this has threading, I think. Yeah, this has threading. Some like the CX piping don't have threading for your PVV and stuff. So yeah, got everything tight. Gonna put this on and then start it up and see how it goes. What made my life a lot easier is the power tools, the power tool, and this, the hose cutter. It literally does that until it cuts the holes off, which I'm gonna do right here. I need to cut that like just a little bit so I can put my PVV right there, and then let's start it up. Finally got everything in, got all the stuff out, all the old stuff. Got the core tight, everything's really tight. It should be really tight, shouldn't be any leaks. Look down there, I don't know if you look down there. Piping's right down there, it comes down up here to this. all the way back to the turbo, and everything's solid on there. Just my AC line might rub, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye out on that, see if my AC doesn't go out. And then the piping goes from this core right here all the way down up to here. Here's my Cork Sport PVV, and there it is. Everything's all good. And what's cool about this piping is that there's a pong right here from meth kit, which I was thinking of going meth, so if I ever want to do that down the road, I can. So let's get everything away from the engine bay. Oh, that's it. Let's get my keys, start it up, and see. Oh, my numbers are good. As you can tell, it's hot. I'm sweating. I have no shirt on, of course, because it's stupid hot. Never do this in the damn Texas heat. But whatevs. Get my access port on. Look at that radio. That radio's fucking dope. Okay, let's turn it on, and hopefully just one time is good. It's at 14.85. 14. I think everything's just getting there. Yeah, I'm gonna let it idle and see what my numbers look like. So there you guys go. Finished it. Forgotten to tighten this little guy, so I was having like 2 PSI off from full boost, but other than that, there it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace.